Hey everybody, what's up? It's Jasmine, and today it's lunchtime and I am eating pizza. So this pizza, it's not like any pizza I've ever had in New Zealand. It's like thin and oily, and when you go to buy it, they have like the weirdest toppings. Like you can just get it with one topping or two toppings. I don't know, it's just because in New Zealand, when you go to buy pizza, it's like, do you get meat lovers? Do you get seafood? Do you get vegetarian? You know, like there's these standard things that have like a lot of stuff on the pizza. But here it's like, you could just get a mushroom pizza. And I've got my cola. So this time I went a bit crazy and I got something with lots of stuff on it. So this one's got ham, shrimp, onion, capsicum, and mushrooms. And that's kind of weird, like nobody usually buys that sort of thing. And they've like sprinkled some herbs on it. Why? Not good. I'm definitely not going to buy pizza from that place again. Because my friend, he recommended it to me. So I was like, heck yeah, let's try it out. And not good. Not good. I didn't try it out with him. But, yeah. Anyway. Really disappointed. Because when I went there as well, they weren't rude, but they weren't nice. Like if I'm going to go to a place and buy food that I could easily make at home, I want to be like, hey, how's it going? I want them to smile at me. These guys didn't smile. They made me feel very unwelcome. So, what's it going? Got school going on. It's pretty good. Definitely learning heaps of stuff. Maybe not heaps of stuff, but I'm learning like a few really important things. Now I have heaps of friends. Well, maybe not heaps of friends, but it feels like a lot of friends because they're good quality friends, you know. Got my work friends, got my school friends, got my ex-boyfriend's family as friends. So right now, in life, pretty bloomin' satisfied. I'm gonna be buying a laptop this year. Probably buy a new camera. But that'll be quite a bit later on. It's not a priority. quite a big walk-in wardrobe. At least I think it's pretty big. It was big enough to fit a table in, so I've done that. I've put a table in it. I've got a second screen that I hook up to my laptop. Got my laptop sitting there. So basically I've set up a home office in my wardrobe. Because my apartment, it's technically a one-bedroom apartment. But, a one-room apartment. But, it's flipping great. So, as you can tell, I'm feeling very positive. Maybe if I had one complaint, is that now that I've got so much going on, I don't really have much time to myself. And I think that that's kind of been an issue because last week I was really sick. And I think that it was in part to do with how much I'm spending outside of the home. So really I just got to choose what I want to do and when I want to do it, and make sure that I'm spending quality time with people instead of massive amounts of time. Because if you spend 1 hour sitting and talking, like having a really fun, nice conversation with someone, that's way better than spending 5 hours with them, watching a movie or something. Obviously, like watching a few movies, I don't know. But basically, what I mean is that you can get really good positive energy from people that can make you feel really good for the whole week just by spending 1 hour with them. And then you don't get all tired because you've been out for 5 hours or however many hours. Yeah. Because I've been overdoing it. For sure. The other weekend, I went to photography museum that's just right near my apartment, and we were only there for like maybe one hour, maybe 2 hours at the most, and that was with my ex-boyfriend's family, and it was really nice. Like now I feel like we caught up, maybe didn't catch up on everything, but it feels like we had a nice time, and now I feel like connected to them. And that wasn't a lot of time. And then I went home and I could relax. Then there are some people who I think they demand certain things. Like, I don't know, because everybody wants something. Like, I want to laugh with people, and I want people to like me, express that they like me through laughter or whatever. It can be anything. And then other people, they want something else. And then, yeah, I don't know. But I think that some people have been really unreasonable. Because say if you had a friend and you knew that they had a really busy schedule and that they were really tired a lot of the times and everything, and then you were like, and then it's the middle of the week and they've been working heaps, and then you're like, hey, let's hang out tonight, and you only asked them like a couple hours before you wanted to hang out. You're basically forcing them to say no, and then they're probably going to feel sad because they want to hang out with you, because they like you. And then they feel sad because they had to say no, and now it feels like they've missed out on something. But if you were a nice person, you would say, hey, I want to do something with you. When are you free, and what sort of thing would you like to do? Or something like that. Because like me, I'm the tired person. I've been doing heaps of stuff, but I've also, I've been really sick, like I said, and I think it's to do with all the tiredness and everything. I'm actually still sick in some way. But I'll talk about that in another video. Now, obviously, if you're a friend and you suddenly had an idea to do something and you could only do it that day, then, you can totally ask the person. But if it's something that you could do any day of the week, why would you put this time, like this very short time frame on it? I don't know. But that's not very nice. So that's one thing that I'm not too happy about. But that's just one person. That's why it's really good to have several friends. Well, maybe not several, but a couple of friends, and they like a couple of good friends, a couple work colleagues that you can have a drink with after work if you like that sort of thing, and then then whatever. A well-rounded social life. That was really good. In the sense that I really like pizza, but it wasn't actually a good pizza. But that's okay because I do know a pretty good pizza place. So I'll probably go there next time. In fact, I most definitely will go there next time. What else? I'm hoping to learn to cook some new things, like seafood pasta or like a creamy chicken pasta. That'd be really good. But yeah, so I've kind of starting to more because I always want to learn how to cook, but it's difficult to find someone to teach you, and then yeah, because food can be stressful. I think for most people, you know, it's hard to find the time of day, and it's hard to find things that are gonna make you feel satisfied in your soul, but also is good for your body and whatever. Yeah, but so hopefully I'm gonna be able to show you guys some new cooking skills, some new cooking food ideas. That'd be good. Yeah, but I think that's gonna be it for me today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed sitting with me and talking and stuff like that. It was pretty fun. Have a nice day, everybody. Hey,